this tree meditation you were talking of, Aditya, I saw in one of your courses, like in one episode, there was this tree meditation. And I just sat one evening and I was doing this tree meditation because I was having a lot of digestive issues that time, you know, and I was wondering if I could solve the problem by, doing this meditation. So, and the thing is that I've got so much more connected to nature by following your meditation and whatever you say. I hug trees now. I talk to trees. I talk to trees and I tell them if one tree is not blooming properly, then please, what's wrong with you? Please bloom nicely. Such lovely colors started appreciating nature. I've started appreciating the universe, so much of energy, so much of different things the universe is offering us to heal ourselves. So I'm really so much awed. And this tree meditation, I was thinking, okay, so let me try if I get an answer about my digestive issues. So I went inside the tree and I was sitting inside the tree. And one more thing, I used to meditate before also, but deep meditation, that word of yours struck me, that before you sit for meditation, just tell yourself that I want to go into deep meditation. I want to go into deep meditation. And it was so amazing. I went into the tree and I was saying, I have this problem. I don't know why it is happening to me. And suddenly, out of the blue, this word came into my mind, Sincon. I did not hear this word before. I don't know from where it came. Sincona. And then I sat quietly and I finished my meditation. And immediately I went to Google and I searched Sincona. What are the uses of Sincona? And my goodness, I saw over there, it is for digestive issues. It is for bloating. And I was so amazed that I thought I must share with you. So this inner work is so amazing. And I'm honestly, I didn't know that it can be so powerful. It can be so, so powerful. And my nature, I was a very quiet person and I wasn't vocal at all. And those chakra meditation I did with you helped me so much to voice out my feelings, which was stuck in me for so many years. I couldn't tell people what I wanted to tell them. So again, I did not just go to them or tell them anything. So what I did initially was I started working with myself. Each chakra, I followed your meditation techniques. So if any issue I had to follow, when things which I could not tell that person face to face, I sat in meditation. And as you had instructed to visualize that person, talk to that person, and I really did it very sincerely. But I did it sincerely. Whatever I did it sincerely. And within a few days, from a particular person, I got such a different behavior. I was so surprised. She had become so loving towards me. I had some differences with her. She had become so loving to me. And then I had some members in my family who were, trying to, dominate over me and make me do things I do not want to do at a specific time, knowing that I'm a very soft-natured person. And I did not like doing those things. Maybe I would have done at my own time. But then slowly, what I did, I did not be rough and rude to them. This was also one day, I saw it in one of your videos. And when I took a personal session with you also, remember? So you told me that you have to come out of the fear. Previously, if anybody behaved badly with me or rudely with me, I used to just walk out from that place. And I used to go into my room and I locked myself. But now what I do now is I go to that person, not exactly that time, later on, and I make him understand properly that this is what I can do. I cannot overdo this. So I'm trying my best. You have to, just cooperate with me. Let's sit together and talk, because communication gap is the worst thing that can happen in a relationship. So let us talk and let us figure out a way where we can work, which would suit you and suit me. You will be happy and I'll be happy, because I cannot go around with this load in my heart for a long time. I don't think my people, near and dear ones, want me to fall sick. So I need them understand this. And me talking to you like this, is rare, because I just could not express myself. In most of the seminars, most of the workshops attended, I was sitting quietly. I was grasping everything inside me, but expressing the things, or making things, like taking action, I would say, on those things, was very rare with me. And I've started facing person. So Aditya, I am so grateful to you. I am, and I'm learning every day. I'm watching your videos, and you have so much of patience, I must say. You have so much of patience. I've been I've been irritating you. I'm not irritating, but I've been asking you questions, and you've been so patient and guided me so nicely. And really, you have such immense knowledge and such beautiful techniques. So simple, doesn't take much time. So simple, just go within. And all the techniques you teach in your courses, like chakra meditation. I've done even the life force. My goodness, I never thought that I could talk about this life force energy, this sexual energy at my age. Forget my age, even when I was young, it was a taboo for us. But now this energy was so much misunderstood. Actually, it's such a powerful energy. I'm manifesting things. I've learned the technique from you. So I go into those, whatever you have told us, those muscles, to activate those muscles and then manifest and bring up the energy and keep it within you. And then it's such a nice, way to circle that energy. Like it goes up and down, and balances you. My expressions have changed, my behavior has changed, with everybody, including my maid, including my family members. I've started loving myself. I've started caring myself. And it's amazing, Aditya. Really, I would tell everyone that please give it a chance. Be sincere. Be very go into deep meditation, and you don't know what is waiting for you. You just don't know what is waiting for you. Such wonders are waiting for you. And every one of us is so powerful. So powerful. I used to think I'm so weak. No. Even I am powerful. Each and every person is so powerful.
So beautiful, Namrata ji, and such an honor, to work with you. And I see you like a dedicated seeker. I have always seen you that way, and you want to go to the root of problems, and you are very sincere, very dedicated. See, we do have problem, but how many of us are really trying to reach to the root of it? So you need to get hold of mentors, and you have to ask them question, and you really have to go to the, because you are, it's not, sometimes we have inhibitions, but no, when you are working with mentor, you really need to ask the right questions, right? And you work on it, whatever the work is given, you have worked it and you have got the results. That's how I have learned from my mentor, right? And it's so amazing to hear from you.
But it is, as you were saying, mentors are needed, because every time we do not know how to help ourselves. So we need a mentor for that particular purpose to help us out. We
Yes.
need mentors to learn things, to bring us out of this mental state, to bring us out of the trauma we were suffering, because we do not know the actual methods to come out of it. We might be knowing many more things, like I might be knowing how to cook well, how to decorate my room well, but doing inner work, I didn't know. I did not know how to make myself beautiful from inside.
Yes.
And we need mentors from that particular field to help us, as we need dietitians, We need psychologists at times, to help us come out, of the problems we are facing. As we need doctors. See, when we are sick, we need doctors for that particular problem. So, the same way, when we are mentally not okay, a lot of health problems, a lot of other problems, a lot of other issues come up. And mentors are like our doctors. Let us go to them to treat us, to cure us. It will be so good for us.
So beautiful.
And you guys are really God sent with so much of knowledge and helping us so patiently, no matter what. And studying and gaining so much of knowledge to help people with so many problems is really awesome. It's really awesome. I'm so grateful to you, Aditya, and to all my mentors, to my gurus, and everybody.
Thank you so much, Namrata ji. So, and taking your time out for this. I'm sure this will help others. Like like the way you are talking, the vibrancy. It's like I feel we share our energy, to people. The energy speaks. The presence speak of the person. The energy of the person can speak and inspire. Yeah.
Correct.
And I'm sure you have a lot of work to inspire others because you have benefited yourself.